Are you looking for a way to make a shining 16mm crystal Rivoli stand out? Then try this easy 2-bead bezel to get amazing results. Then learn how to add a bail to the top so you can start enjoying it right away. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial for this bezel. Also on my channel, you'll be able to find this beautiful snowflake which builds upon this foundation. I'll leave a link to that tutorial down below in the video description, plus all the supplies that were sent to me from Eureka Crystal Beads. They're part of the Bubble Essence Collection Light. I'll leave my affiliate link to that and all the individual supplies below. One 16mm Rivoli, size 15 seed beads, and the 6mm bugle beads. Begin with 6 of the bugle beads and bring them down near the end of your thread. Then needle back through 1 bugle bead. For the next round, take 1 size 15 seed bead, come into the next bugle bead, do that all the way around. Pick up 1 more bugle bead and needle back through the one that your thread is exiting. Come through the seed bead and next bugle bead and add a bugle bead the same way all the way around. Adding the last bugle bead, come back through the one that you just added, and then add 2 size 15 seed beads between the bugle beads. Two more 15s coming out the bugle bead, and make another layer of bugle beads all the way around, picking one up, coming back through the bugle bead, through the 2 seed beads and bugle bead, and then continue all the way around with the bugle beads. Adding the last bugle bead, then coming back through it. This time put 3 seed beads between each bugle bead, forming a little wall on the side of this. Continue that all the way around. Three more, and the last 3 coming through the bugle bead and some of the seed beads. I'm going to retrace this very top row 1 time. After retracing the top row 1 time, make sure that you're exiting one of the middle size 15 seed beads, and go ahead and sit your Rivoli right here in the center and hold it in with your fingers. Pick up 7 of your size 15 seed beads and come through the middle size 15 of your next group. And you want these to sit on top. Repeat that with 7 each time, coming through the middle size 15. Make sure your seed beads come on top the Rivoli, and continue all the way around. The last 7, and make sure that you're needling back through the middle seed bead between the bugles. Then needle through this middle size 15, then through one more 15 and the bugle bead. Exiting here at the bugle bead. Hi, it's future me here. I wanted to let you know I am sorry that I forgot to film this, but when you're exiting this top bugle bead, just drop down through the next 2 seed beads here in the middle until you're exiting here at this middle bugle bead. Now we are going to make the bail. I'll be using the Toho Treasure size 11 seed beads. Although, yes, you could use Miyuki Delicas. And I'm going to pick up 2 size 11 cylinder beads. These are Toho Treasures. Skipping your 15s here, come into the next size 6 bugle bead. So now we're going to come back around, kind of making a circle until we're exiting the cylinder bead here, needling through the 6mm bugle underneath it, the size 15 and the next bugle, and through the middle bugle bead, and the 2 size 11s you just added. And we'll do a ladder stitch, picking up 2 more size 11s, needling back through the 2, and then come back through the 2 you just put on, pulling those nice and tight. Pick up 2, needle back through the 2, pulling tight each time, and then stepping into the ones on the end. Just continue working on that, adding 2 each time, and then back through the ones you just added. After you add enough beads to make a decent size bail that will fit over the clasp of a necklace, with your thread exiting here, come back through the first 2 that you added, and back through the beginning here. This way you can see my thread path. You want to pull it tight to close the loop. Needle back through your beads a few times to pull that thread path tight. So then you have your bail attached, and this is simply ready to go whenever you want to put it on a necklace. I'll just needle through the middle bugle bead, continue working around, and then reversing direction. And retracing the inner circle, completely securing my thread, and then trimming it off. I hope you enjoy this bezel to show off your 16mm Rivoli. And as an added bonus, you're going to be a step ahead in learning how to make this beautiful snowflake. Don't forget, all the links will be provided in the video description. As always, have a beautiful day.